So I want to talk today about the water flosser that the team very kindly sent out to me. They did send it to me to test, and I have to say, before I begin, this has been life-changing for me. I'm not exaggerating. I really do appreciate it as well. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box because that's also really important. You want to know what you're getting. So I'll show you that now. But my experience has been really unexpected for me. So I take medication, and one of the side effects for me is having a really unpleasant taste in my mouth, and this has been the only thing that's helped. I've tried gums, brushing, sucking on mints, all those different things, and this is the only thing that's helped. It's actually one specific attachment, which is this little blue one. With this device, it is absolutely fantastic. So the way that you begin is obviously pop your water in there, you charge it all up, and then you've got 5 modes on here. I started off with the lowest one because I didn't know what to expect, which is the bottom one, which is the gentle, which is really great, like if you've got for kids, older people, maybe sensitive teeth, and then you can just work up till you find one that works for you. And the pulse mode with that blue attachment has been fantastic. I just feel so relieved. I was considering giving up my meds because of the unpleasant taste, so I'm really grateful. There's so many other things about this product that I also really love. I love that it's waterproof, so if you want to use it in the shower you can. It's also rechargeable. After 2 hours of charge, I think you get up to 35 days of charge, which is really great. I found the tank to be a really good size, so I think any bigger than this, I think it'd become a little bit too heavy and cumbersome to use. I really like all the different heads as well. It does have 5 different attachment heads, everyone having a different purpose. I also really like there's a 2-minute timer, so once you're using it, you know when you got to stop. It does it automatically, and also a memory setting, so it will remember for next time which setting I've picked. And even though I don't have veneers or braces or implants or anything like that in my mouth, I like to know that this is going to be suitable if I did end up having any of those. So if you're concerned about bad breath, getting that deep clean, feeling fresh in your mouth, I really do recommend it. It's been absolutely fantastic, and thanks again to the team. I really do appreciate it.